Do you want to know how to get more views with Tubebuddy? Then stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to share with you the #1 thing that you need to do in order to make sure you can get more views on your YouTube videos. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. The biggest mistake new YouTubers make is they see what the big YouTubers are doing and they try and copy them, thinking that they're going to get the same results. They already have an established base, they already have an established following, so they already have that head start. You need to be way more strategic in the type of long tail keywords that you choose to make sure that you reduce the competition, giving you the best chance to rank for that search term, which means you're going to get way more views on a consistent basis. Let's jump into my laptop and let me show you how you can implement this strategy so that we can start getting you more views right away. To illustrate how to do this, I'm going to walk you through a couple of examples. I'm going to show you what not to do, and then I'm going to show you what to do. So if you don't have Tubebuddy yet, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. You can click on it and get hold of the free version of Tubebuddy. This is an affiliate link, and if you decide to upgrade to a paid version, we will earn a small commission that helps support this channel. So if you want to support the channel, you can use that link in the description down below. If we want to create a video about kite surfing, we're not going to just call it kite surfing or awesome kite surfing or kite surfing tricks or kite surfing spots. If we go for a very generic keyword like kite surfing, the competition is going to be way too high, which means there are too many creators creating videos on this topic, which gives you less chance of actually being seen, being noticed, and people starting to watch your video. We're going to eliminate that competition by finding more specific video topics that we can use as our video title that will allow us to start getting that traction, to start getting views. This is going to decrease the search volume, but if we target more specific people, they're going to watch your video more because you've created it to solve a specific problem that they are searching for. One of the first things people want to learn when they start kite surfing is how to jump. So let's dive into that. How can we get into kite surfing jumping? So if we go into kite surfing jump, it's probably going to be a whole lot of tricks on how to jump and the best ways to jump. What we want to get into is learning how to jump, and not only how to jump, we want to get way more specific. So how can we get more specific from that? Let's go into how to jump in kite surfing. Now look at this, the competition has gone down to green because we're more specific. We want to know how to jump in kite surfing. That's really specific and shows that it's a good keyword. Yes, our search volume has come down a bit, but the main thing I want you to focus on when you're first starting out is finding low competition keywords because they are so specific. Look at this video, 760,000 views in 4 years. How to jump kite surfing, 1 year, 103,000 views. How to jump bigger, okay, now we're getting more specific. So how do you get higher, further jumps, bigger jumps? How do you get higher, bigger jumps? 2 weeks ago, 8,000 views in 2 weeks. But we can go even further. Let's get more specific. So let's go how to jump in kite surfing for beginners. Because beginners are always the ones asking the questions, so it's a great topic to go into. And it's more specific. The longer your keyword or key phrase, the way more specific you are. So look at this, the competition is a little bit higher, but your search volume has increased a little bit. So that is a better keyword. And we can go even more specific. We can add in a year to be relevant, time relevant. Now we are in the green place where we want to be, low competition. And that's a really cool topic. So see how we went from kite surfing to being more specific, how to jump in kite surfing. Really good keyword, but a beginner who wants a video that's relevant right now, so an up-to-date video, will click on a video, how to jump in kite surfing for beginners in 2021. If any of you guys on the kite surfing channel try this out, please send us a message and I want to see you ranking #1. The next example we're going to look at is Surfski Paddling. So let's dive into Surfski Paddling, and we actually create videos with Haley Nixon for Surfski Paddling. So we have been into this and I want to show you one of the examples that we came up with of a video that's doing really well. So if you look at Surfski, the competition is medium, pretty good search volume, 246,000 searches per month. So it's a really good audience. People are really interested in surf skiing, but we need to drill down a bit more. What is one of the main obstacles that comes across a person who's just starting out surf ski paddling? First thing that happens is they borrow a surf ski, they paddle out there and they fall out. Now what do they need to do? They need to get back into their surf skis. And the language that surf ski paddlers use is remount a surf ski. So let's look at the keyword that we created. And look, Haley is ranking #1. Their channel is called Ocean Riders Online. How to remount your surf ski. Beautiful, simple video of Haley talking you through step by step how to get back in your surf ski easily and quickly. It solves a very specific problem. It's a very specific long tail keyword which reduces the competition. The competition's in green. Yes, the search volume has come down, but we've got 25,000 views in a year. And that is the kind of video that you want to create as a new YouTuber. It's going to help you get more views, it's going to help you build your influence, and it's going to help you get traction so that you can start growing your YouTube channel faster and getting the views on your videos that you deserve. Let's go into another example. Davinci Resolve. Now Davinci Resolve is an amazing video editing program that we're super excited about. We're using it now to edit all of our YouTube videos and it is working beautifully. So let's look at Davinci Resolve as a keyword. Let's see how we can reduce the competition with our new special skill that's going to help you get more views on your videos. So you can see here the competition is really high, but the search volume is unbelievable. 2.13 million searches per month. So there are so many people searching around Davinci Resolve. How can we get more specific? So we want to focus on people that are creating videos for YouTube in Davinci Resolve. So let's get into that. How to edit YouTube videos in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so this is pretty good. We got the competition into the green. It is a long tail key phrase that is very specific, but we can get even more specific. You don't need to stop here. Think about different factors that could apply to make it even more specific, to eliminate that competition so that it's going to give you the best possible chance to rank. What could we do? Davinci Resolve does updates all the time. We're on Davinci Resolve 17 now. So we could add in the 17 there. Okay, so the competition has gone up a bit, and this does happen, but don't freak out. You've got to test a few things and work out the best way to reduce your competition. 17 for beginners. Okay, competition has gone up a little bit. That's okay. Let's get even more specific. Let's put in this year. And there you can see we've headed back into the green. Our competition is reduced, and this is a really good keyword for you to get started around the Davinci Resolve topic, using the amazing Tubebuddy keyword research tool to get you more views. If you have any questions or queries about this, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. I also want you to let me know what kind of videos you create on your YouTube channel. Comment below with your niche, whether you're a kite surfer, whether you're a surfski paddler, whether you're a YouTube video editor, or any kind of videos that you do. Let us know down below. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to check out our next video here. Let's get right into it.